Welcome in the video lecture series of operating system. Myself Avdesh Dixit from IIT Ayodhya. Friends, today we are going to discuss optimal page replacement policy. As we already discussed, FIFO and LRU page replacement policy. We already told you what is the need of the page replacement policy. Actually, when a CPU need to fetch any page for a process execution, that page is requested through logical address and search into the physical memory frames. If the page frames are not available, then a page fault occurs and now user mod convert into the system and system just search the page into the logical address space. If the page is available into the logical address space to a corresponding process, then that will be mapped into the frames of the main memory. But question is here, if the frame is not, backend frame is not available to the memory, then what happens? If no backend frame is available into the main memory, then any one frame gets replaced by the requested process page. But question here, which frame will be replaced? Then answer of this question is that what are the policy of the replacement adopted by the operating system. And as you know that basically the commonly used policies are FIFO, first in first out, least recently used, optimal. There are some other policies also, but these three are the commonly used policies. We have already discussed the FIFO and LRU policies. In FIFO policy, the frame which was longest time in the memory will be replaced by the requesting page, and this is a very simplest policy. In the LRU, the frame which was longest backward distance in the requested string will be replaced by the requesting page. And right now, one of the important policy is optimal policy, which we are going to discuss. Actually, optimal policy is just reverse of the LRU. In the LRU, we use the longest backward distances. That means we just find the page which was least used, means which was longest distance from the current page. But here in the optimal policy, a page is replaced which was in the frame, which is in the frame, which had the least, which is the longest forward distance. In LRU, we see the longest backward distance. Herein, we see the longest forward distance. Now, let us understand this by some simple example. We just assume that there are 8 pages into the system or the virtual address space, and we need to map them into the frames, and number of frames are the 4. Here 4 frames we have taken, F1, F2 and F3 and 4. Number of pages are 8, and now the pages are here. We have used as a reference string 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4 and 4. and understand this is the order of the pages requested by the CPU. Maximum page is a 7 and minimum is a 0. 8 pages are there, 0 and 7 range. So this is the order of the page string, and 4 page frame are here. And now look here. First of all, a 0 number page arrived. There are all 4 frames free. Then it may map in any of them. Let me map it here in the first frame, and this is a star. Always remember, when a page arrives and that is not into the frame, then this is known as a page fault, and to fulfill the page fault, we just copy the page from the virtual address space into the main memory. And now again page number 1 arrived, then we just put it into the frame number 2. It is also page fault. Again page number 2 arrived, then we just put it into frame number 3, and this is also a page fault. And now page number 0 arrived again, and 0 is already available here. Then 0, 1, 2, and this is known as what? Hit. And now page number 3 arrived, because there are vacant page frame 0, 1, 2, then this is mapped into the frame number 4. And again look here, page number 0 arrived. Here page number 0 arrived. Then and 0 is already available. Here page number 0 arrived and 0 is already available here. Then in which frame this will map? In which frame this will be mapped? Because 0 is already available, then it will be hit. 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is what? Hit. This is what? Hit. Now page number 4 arrived. Now here look here the situation. All the 4 frames filled. We need to replace any one frame. That means first of all we need to select the victim frame which swept out from the frame, this main memory, and that so that the page form can be mapped. So look here, we are on page number 4, and what pages are into the frames? 0 number page, 1 number page, 2 number page, 3 number page. And now we will search here. Which frame number from all these 4 have the longest forward distance? Which frame number from here have the longest forward distance? Now page number 0, where? Not in the forward list. Whereas 1 is here, 2 is here, and 3 is also not into the list. Try to understand. We start from 4. First of B. Here look the frame 1. If the frame 1 is available in the forward list, from forward list where? From starting 5 to 2, and which is also not. then which is not in the list, that was the longest distance. And here are 2, 0, 1 is also, 2 is also, but 3 is not available. Then 0 number page and 3 number page are not available in the list. Then these 2 page numbers are having the longest forward distances. Then which page will be becomes as a victim page? Here 0 number and 3 number. Then we will adopt then FIFO order. That means the which page come first. So 0 number page will be replaced by the 4. 4, 1, 2, 3. And this is also page fault. Now, page number 5 arrived here. We again search these 4 pages into the list. Page number, look here, page number 4 available here, page number 1 is available here, page number 2 is available here, but page number 3 is not available into the list. That means page number 3 have the longest forward distance. So we will map the page number 5 in place of page number 3, and 4, 1, 2 will be same. I think you have understood it much more. And now page 1 arrived, 1 is already available into the frame, then this will hit 4, 1, 2, 5, and this is what hit. Again page number 5 arrived, page number 5 is already available into the list, then 4, 1, 2, 5, this is hit. Again page number 2 arrived, that is also available in the list, then 4, 1, 2, 5, this is also hit. Then page number 4 arrived, 4, 1, 2, 5, this is also hit because 4 already available. And now page number 5 again arrived, this is also available, 4, 1, 2, 5, this is also hit. And now again port number 6 arrived, means that is requested by the CPU, and now page number 6 is not available into the page frame. Page number 6 is not available into the page frames. So which page will be replaced? First of all, we will see which are the longest forward distance. 4 is not available, 1 is not available, 2 is available, 5 is not available. Means in the forward list starting from 5, we will just test this 4, 1, 2, 5 number of pages, and we are seeing here that neither 4 is available, nor 1 is available, and nor 5 is available. Then which page will be as a victim page? That means which will be replaced, which come first. Then here page number 4 will be replaced by 6, 6, 1, 2, 5, and this is what? Page fault. Now page number 7 arrived. Page number 7 arrived. We will look from starting. Now page number 6 already available, 1 is not available, 2 is available, 5 is not available, then longest forward distance is 1, and we will replace 7, 6, 2, 5. That means 7 replacing the page number 1, because page number 1 not available. Not available means having a longest distance. And now this is also page fault. Again page number 6 arrived, 6 is already available, 6, 7, 2, 5, this is what? Hit. Again page number 7 arrived, this is hit also, 6, 7, 2, 5. Again page number 2 arrived. This is also hit because 2 already available. Hit. Now number of hit is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is equal to 10. And number of page fault, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to 8. Now surprisingly here what is the result? Number of hit is here much more than the number of page fault, and we can also calculate the hit ratio. Hit ratio that is equal to number of hit upon total number of pages, and that's equal to 10 upon 18 or 5 upon 9. So comparing to from other two previous policies, FIFO policies and next is LRU, here the hit ratio is much. That means the performance of the optimal page replacement policy is much better than the FIFO and LRU. But one disadvantage of this policy is that it would be much difficult to find out the forward distance, because pages are arrived randomly. That means CPU is requesting the pages are arrived. While the searching, a new page comes in request. Then it would be difficult to find out the longest forward distances, and that's why it is not easy to implement. Although optimal replacement policy having the much performance, it is much better than other two policies, FIFO and LRU. Now that's all about this video lecture. Thank you for watching video.